Alright, what's up everybody? We're back here with another fraction division problem. So here we have a word problem and it says the following. A pitcher is half full of Sigma juice. A serving of Sigma juice is 1/6 the pitcher. Enter the number of servings of juice that are in the pitcher. So I drew a circle to represent the pitcher. Doesn't have to be a circle, it can be whatever you want, but I just do circles because it's easy to show fractions that way. So let's fill up the pitcher with some Sigma juice. If this is the pitcher, the whole circle, half of it is full of Sigma juice. So I'm going to fill half of it up, right? Ugh, that's terrible. So half of it is full of Sigma juice. Here I go. Right? Just pretend it's all Sigma juice. Half of it is full of Sigma juice. A serving of Sigma juice is 1/6 of the pitcher. 1/6. So I already split the pitcher in half because it's half a pitcher. But now I'm going to see what a serving is. A serving is 1/6 of the pitcher. So I'm going to use a different color to represent the pitcher. We're going to use red as soon as I can get it. There we go. So 1/6 of the pitcher is one serving. So I'm going to divide this pitcher into sixths because that's what it says. 1/6. A serving of Sigma juice is 1/6 of the pitcher. So here I go. That's 1/2 serving. So if we're going to divide both halves into thirds. 1/3. Oh, that's terrible. All right, cool. How many do I have? I have, it looks to me like I have, can I move it a little bit? It looks like a little less than 1/3, so let me do a little bit better. All right, so we have 1 serving here, 2 servings here, 3 servings here. But let's see how many more I can get, right? So we need 6. So I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and 6. So it looks like I have my 6 servings. This one's terrible. Okay, cool. So how many servings are in half the pitcher? In the whole pitcher, we have 6 servings. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so how many servings is half the pitcher taking up? Well, in black, I see it has right here. Well, let's use a different color than black. Let's use let's highlighter actually. Let's use highlighter yellow. So here's 1 serving, 2 servings, what appears to be half a serving, and then another half a serving. So I have 2 full servings, and then half of a serving and half another, so that makes 3 servings, right? Because this is half of a serving right here, and another half, you combine it, you get 1 serving. And then we have 1 serving here and 1 serving here. So how many servings are in the pitcher? The half the pitcher? 3 servings, right? It's easier to see if you do it the following way. Let's say instead of splitting it up first into half like I did, let's say I did 6 first. All right, that's fine. And then I'm going to use orange. And then I color like this. That's still half the pitcher. It's just the top half. How many servings do I have covered? 1, 2, 3 servings. Mister, what if I don't want to use pictures though? All right, let's use math. We have half a pitcher, and we want to find out how many 1/6 fit in this number. So we have to divide it by 1/6, right? Because how many 1/6 are in 1/2? How many of these are in here, right? It's the same as asking this. Well, how many 3s fit in 6? Well, 2, right? How many 2s fit in 10? Well, 5. How many 6s fit in 12? How many 6s fit in 12? 2. So how many 1/6 fit in 1/2? Well, let's divide. Keep, change, flip. Because 6 over 2 plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3, which is our same answer. So when you're asking how many of something fit in something, you divide it. How many 1/6 fit in 1/2? Well, you divide 1/2 divided by 1/6. Don't be confused. Just because you say how many 1/6 fit in 1/2, it doesn't mean that 1/6 goes first, right? How many 1/6 fit in? So the number that you're fitting into goes first. How many 6s fit in 12? 2, right? Because, watch this. What if we did this? What if we said, how many 6s fit in 12? Well, here you actually get 1/2. You did tell me half of 1/6 goes in 12? That's not right. Because half of 6 is 3. So 3 6s fit in 12? No, that doesn't even make any sense, right? How many, what this question here, 6 divided by 12, what it's actually telling you is how many 12s fit in 1/6? And the answer is half of 1/12. Half of 12 fit in a 6. Because, well, half of 12 is 6. And how many 6s fit in 6? 1. So how many 12s fit in 6? 1/2. How many 2s fit in 10? 5. How many 3s fit in 6? 2. So don't be confused because you say it first, all right? It's a common mistake. But yeah, that's how we solve it using division.